Bigg Boss 15 contestant Abhijit Bhichukle asked Devolina Bhattacharjee to give him a kiss during a task. The latest promo of Bigg Boss 15 shows that during the given task, contestants have to steal certain items from the museum. Abhijit does the same and tells Devolina that he has caught many items while touching her cheek. He says, "I can do anything for you but want a kiss from you in return." Abhijit shouts and asks her when is she going to kiss him. Devolina says she will never kiss him. She says, "I won't." The actress further warns him not to cross his limits and take advantage of her kindness. Later, Abhijit says he was just kidding and Devolina replies, "Shut up." Pratik Sehajpal also comes in support of Devolina and says, "Why will she lie?" In the garden area, Tejasvi asks Devolina if Abhijit was blackmailing her. When the actress said yes, Tejasvi declared, "I am so close to slapping him." Tejasvi then charged towards Abhijit and pushed him away. In the recent episode of Bigg Boss 15, the audience got to witness some high-octane drama as Abhijit Bhichukle tried to burn down the BB house. During the ticket to finale task, when things did not turn up according to Abhijit's wish, he created a ruckus. He ran towards the kitchen, shouting, "I will burn down the house." Pratik went after him and stopped him. This is not the first time Abhijit Bhichukle had landed himself in trouble. Earlier, Abhijit has said in the show that Rakhi Sawant's husband Ritesh is hired. This infuriated Rakhi and she clarified saying, "I have taken 7 vows with him and he's not hired." In fact, Ritesh also intervened and told Abhijit that you are saying all this because it is in your mind. Abhijit also had a fight with Shamita Shetty over his controversial statements. Abhijit Bhichukle entered the Bigg Boss house as a wildcard contestant in the show. The ticket to finale task in the show has already started. There may be midweek or sudden evictions possible, but nothing has been confirmed officially. On this week's Weekend Cover episode, Ayushmann Khurrana and Vaani Kapoor appeared as special guests. Salman schooled some of the male contestants on how to treat the ladies. Salman also lashed out at Umar for behaving arrogantly. The game in Bigg Boss house is getting interesting every week. The dynamics are changing in the house and there are lots of twists and turns happening in the show. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.